So good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to Sakala Vidya YouTube channel. Am I audible to you? Am I audible? Sunil, Pavitra, Jaya. Am I audible to you? Okay. So good evening once again. Thank you. Happy Diwali. Thank you to you all. To all. Wish you the same. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Ballam Jaya, Sunil, Pavitra. Right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. 1 minute. One minute. So 1 minute, some technical problem is there. I will start. Okay, I will continue later class. Okay. 1 minute. I will check. Okay, mensuration. Mensuration. So today we shall discuss problems related to the mensuration. So thank you one and all. Thank you. Okay, first actually while discussing the problems itself only, I will explain the concepts of the mensuration, don't worry. So first let us complete the problems. Okay, first of all, the first question. So question number 1, two cubes of volume 8 centimeter cube two cubes each of volume 8 centimeter cube are joined end to end end to end end to end, then surface area of the resulting cuboid is this is the question. So first option A, 80 centimeter cube, B is 64 centimeter cube, sorry, 80 centimeter square, 64 centimeter square, C 40 centimeter square, D is 8 centimeter square. So this is the question. See, once again, check all of you. Two cubes each of volume, that means each cube volume is 8 centimeter cube, are joined end to end, then surface area of the resulting cuboid. So when you join two cubes together, we get a cuboid. So the surface area of the resulting cuboid we need to find out. Okay, now let us do it now. So that means actually this is the cube. Okay, the two cubes are joined like this. Okay, now so cuboid is formed. So for example, say let side of the cube is a, volume of the cube is equal to a cube is equal to 8. This a cube is equal to, we can write 2 cube. That means side of the cube a is equal to 2. So now this is the actually length of the resulting cuboid. The length becomes 2 plus 2, that will be 4. So this breadth is 2, this height also 2. So that means actually here, see, you get like this. So L becomes 4, breadth becomes 2, height becomes 2. Now what we need to find out here? The surface area of the resulting cuboid. Surface area of a cuboid. Surface area of a cuboid. That is equal to 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. That is equal to 2 times LB. LB means 4 into 2, 8. BH 4. HL is 8. So 2 times 8 plus a 16. 16 plus 4, 20. So that is 40 centimeter square is the answer. C is the right option. C is the right option. C is the right option. Okay, now let us move to the second question. Second question. The total surface area of a solid hemisphere of radius r is option A 4 pi r square, option B is 2 pi r square, option C is 4 by 3 pi r square, option D 3 pi r square. So this is formula based question. Here see, the total surface area of a solid hemisphere of radius r units. So that means actually let us draw the figure. So this is the hemisphere. Hemisphere means half of the sphere, and also solid. Solid means this part is also included. This part is also included. This will be the circular shape. So now the radius is equal to, this radius is equal to r. Area of this circular is pi r square. So area of this, actually now you shade this part. So this area is actually half of the 4 pi r square. Because 4 pi r square is the total surface area of the sphere. Divide by 2. You get 2 pi r square. Now red area plus this actually blue area need to be added. So that means actually TSA of solid hemisphere equal to 2 pi r square plus pi r square. So now we shall have 3 pi r square is the required answer. So D is the right option. D is the right option. Yes, absolutely correct. So now third one. The curved surface area of a right circular yes, correct, cone of height 15 centimeters 15 centimeters, and base diameter, having base diameter 16 centimeters is option A 60 pi centimeter square, B that is 68 pi centimeter square, C 120 pi centimeter square, D that is 136 pi centimeter square. Thank you, Ravindra Adari. Riyaz Basha, welcome. Okay, Ravinder. The curved surface area CSA of a right circular cone, height is 15 centimeters, diameter is 16 centimeters. So that means actually this problem is related to the cone. So this is the cone. Okay. This is the height. This is the base radius. So base radius means actually here solution, diameter is given D equals to 16 centimeters. Obviously radius equals to D upon 2, that will be 8 centimeters. And height, this is 15. This is 15 given, this is 8. So now R equals to 8 centimeters. But curved surface area we need to find out. What is the curved surface area? Curved surface area of a cone equal to pi r L. But here we know the D and R. L is not given. That means actually here R is equal to 8 centimeters. H also given 15 centimeters. Now this is the L. We need to find out L. See, we have L square is equal to 15 square plus 8 square. 15 square plus 8 square. 15 square is equal to 25 plus 64. That will be 289. So obviously L will be square root of 289. That will be 17. L is 17. So now pi. Answer is in terms of pi itself only. You need not simplify. 5 times radius is 8. L is 17. 17 into 8. 8 7 ja 56. 8 1 ja 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 136. So 136 pi centimeter square. Check the options. Check the options. Yes, D is the right option. I think you might have followed this question. Right, Riyaz Basha. Absolutely correct. L is equal to root of h square plus r square. Yes, yes, Pavitra. Now the fourth question. If the surface area of a sphere is 616 centimeter square, then its diameter is this problem is related to the sphere. So option A 7 centimeters, option B is 14 centimeters, option C is 56 centimeters, option D is 28 centimeters. Chanda Jagadeep. Okay. So now this problem is related to the sphere. So first let us draw a sphere. This is sphere. So diameter we need to find out. So this is the radius r. So diameter d is equal to 2r. This 2 times r. If you find the radius, then you can find out. So what is given actually here? The surface area of a sphere is 616. Solution. What is the surface area of a sphere? That is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square equals to 616 given. Next, r square we need to find out. R square is equal to 616 times 1 by 4 pi. So that means actually you can write like this: 616 multiplied by 1 by 4 into 22 by 7. 7 comes up. This can be written 616 multiplied by 7 upon 4 into 22. 11 2 ja, 11 5 ja 55. Now 66, 56 you will be getting. 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8, 8 7 ja. So that means 49. So r equals to square root of 49. Square root of 49 is 7. We require d. So therefore d is equal to 2 times 7. That is 14 centimeter is the answer. B is the right option. B is the right option. Ravinder, absolutely correct. Pavitra also. Okay. Fifth problem. So let us move to the fifth problem. Chinna local. Good evening. Good evening. Right. Sulochana. Fifth question. The radius of a spherical means sphere, spherical balloon increases from 8 centimeters to 12 centimeters. The ratio of the surface areas of the balloon in two cases is A 2:3, B 3:2, C 8:27, D 4:9. Okay. Okay, happy Diwali. Right. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 8 centimeters to 12 centimeters. The ratio of the surface areas of the balloon in the two cases. In the first case, find out the surface area of the balloon. In the second case, after increasing, so the surface area also increases. Then we need to find out the ratio. So first say surface area is S1. S1 is equal to, you say, pi 4 pi capital R, small r1 square, small r square. This is case 1. Now case 2, surface area S2, that also 4 pi capital R square. So this is small r, this will be capital R. Okay, now what we need to find out now? Actually, we need to find out S1 by S2, S1 upon S2. That means 4 pi r square upon 4 pi capital R square. 4 pi cancel. Small r square means 8 into 8 upon capital R square, 12 into 12. Just simplify this one. 4 3 ja, sorry, 4 2 ja, 4 3 ja. 4 2 ja, 4 3 ja. So this will be, therefore S1 by S2 equal to 4 upon 9. So S1 is to S2 is equal to, divided, nothing but 4 is to 9 is the required ratio. So that means D is the right option. D is the right option. D is the right option. Thank you, Naveen. Wish you the same. Guys, please tell me when start class. 4:30. 4:30. Sneha Misra, welcome. Welcome. Sixth question. Sixth question. If S1 denotes the total surface area, of the sphere of radius small r, and S2 denotes the total surface area of a cylinder of base radius r and height 2r, then option A, S1 is equal to S2, both have the same total surface area. B, next, S1 is greater than S2, S1 is maximum rather than S2. C, S1 is less than S2, S1 is less than S2. D, S1 equals to 2 times S2. So that means the relationship between the both we need to find out now. Right. See, if S1 denotes the total surface area of the sphere of radius r, whereas S2 is the total surface area of a cylinder whose base radius is r and height is 2r. So that means first we need to find out the total surface area of a sphere we need to find out, and total surface area of a next cylinder we need to find out. Find the ratio S1 by S2. With the help of the ratio we can determine the relationship between S1 and S2. Okay, let us proceed now. Let us proceed. See now, solution. This is the sphere. See, radius is r. So total surface area S1 is equal to 4 pi r square. Say equation 1. Now let us come to the cylinder part. Cylinder. So in cylinder, See, base radius is, so base radius is r, but whereas height h is equal to 2r given. So total surface area. Total surface area is 2 pi r into r plus h. This is the formula. Total surface area of a sphere is given by this formula. Please remember, this is nothing but formula itself only. So that is, let us substitute 2 pi r multiplied by r plus h is 2r. So this will be 2 pi r multiplied by 3r. This will be, you will be getting 6 pi r square. Set 2. Yes, now you find out S1 by S2. S1 by S2. S1 by S2 means 4 pi r square upon 6 pi r square. Pi r square gets cancelled. This is 2 by 3. So that will be S2 is maximum, S1 is minimum. So that's why S1 is less than S2. This is the relation. S1 is less than S2. Because S1 is 2 parts, S2 is 3 parts. 3 parts will be more. 2 parts will be less. So 2 is less than 3. That's why S1 is less than S2. So option C is the right option. Option C is the right option. Okay, now let us move to the seventh question. Seventh question. Are you ready? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. The surface areas of two spheres are in the ratio 1:4. 1:4. Then the ratio of their values is 1:4, B 1:8, C 1:16, D 1:64. 1:64. Here see, the surface areas of two different spheres are in the ratio 1:4. Then the ratio of their values we need to find out. So that means actually S1 by S2 is given that 1/4. 1:4 means S1. So that means surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r1 square. Second one, radius say r2. 4 pi r2 square is equal to 1/4. 4 pi gets cancelled. Take the square root. If you take the square root, r1 upon r2 is equal to square root of 1/4. That will be 1/2. Now the ratio of their values we need to find out. That means V1 by V2 we need to find out. So V1 by V2. So please explain in Telugu also. Okay. I will try. V1. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, but radius is r1, pi r1 cube upon 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. This gets cancelled. This we can write r1 by r2 whole cube. That means 1 by 2 whole cube. See, 1 by 2 whole cube is equal to 1, 2 cube is 8. Therefore, V1 is to V2. The ratio between their volumes is equal to 1 is to 8. So, B is the right option. B is the right option. Yes, B is the right option. So, where are you from, Shankar? Where are you from, Shankar? Right. 1 is to 8. The diameter of the base of a right circular cylinder is 28 centimeters. And okay, Maibun Nagar. Okay, its height is 21 centimeter. The curved surface area of a cylinder is option 1848 centimeter square, B 3080 centimeter square, C is 12936 centimeter square, D none. Answer may be there, may not be there. Okay, Shankar, actually this is targeted to the NCERT national level examination too. So that's why I'm not able to translate in Telugu, but a special session I will conduct it. In that particularly, I will target both Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. At that time, definitely I will take in Telugu language, local language. Please, so try to cooperate with me. Right. See what is given actually, the diameter of the base of the right circular cylinder given. This is the D given, D value given, and its height H given. Then curved surface area we need to find out the cylinder. See the solution. What is given actually here? D given. D is equal to 28. Obviously R will be D by 2 equal to 14 centimeters. And what is given? Height. H is equal to 21 centimeters. What is the curved surface area of a cylinder? Formula 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. 2 times 22 by 7 times radius. Radius is how much? 14 into height is 21. 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja. This will be 2 into 22 is 44. 2 into 21 is 42. Now 44 into 42 we need to multiply. 44 into 42 you need to multiply. 44 into 42. 2 4 ja 8, 88. And 4 4 ja 16. 4 4 just 16, 176. So that will be 8, 14, 8 plus 4, 1848. So that means 1848 centimeters square. So option A is the right option. Okay. Okay. Next question is ninth question. The ratio of the ratio of the ratio of the ratio of the radii, that means plural for radius, radii of two spheres of two spheres is 4:5, is 4:5. Then the ratio of their total surface areas is option A 4:5, option B 2:5, option C 5:4, option D is 16:25. 16:25. Yes, Neha Misra, absolutely correct. Yes. So now the ratio of the radii of the two spheres is 4:5. Then the ratio of their total surface areas. So that means what? Happy Diwali, Vivek Pudari. Thank you. So now what is given means actually here R1 is to R2. Ratio between the radii is 4:5. That means indirectly R1 by R2 is given that 4/5. So what we need to find out? Ratio of their surface areas, S1 upon S2. This will be 4 pi R1 square upon 4 pi R2 square. 4 pi gets cancelled. This we can write R1 by R2 whole square. Just square these two terms. That will be answer. 4 square 16, 5 square 25. D is the right option. That's the logic. So 4 by 5 whole square. You get this will be 16 upon 25. So S1 is to S2 is equal to 16 is to 25. That means actually duplicate ratio of 4:5. 4 square, 5 square is the answer. Directly also we can do. 10th problem. Okay. The ratio of the volumes of two spheres tomorrow morning actually 6:30 we have the class on trigonometry. Hi Palla. Yes. Tomorrow morning 6:30 we have the class on trigonometry. The ratio of the volumes of two spheres is 8:27. If small r and capital R are the radii, plural for radius, of spheres respectively. Then capital R minus small r is to small r is option A is 1:2, option B is 1:3, option C 2:3, option D 4:9. You try this question. So I have given the notification also on trigonometry chapter, so you can check it. Tomorrow we have the 2 sessions on this IIIT 2020 classes. As for NTSC examination also it will be useful for National Talent Search examination. So tomorrow morning 6:30 we have the class on trigonometry. Okay, very good, 1:2, very good, Misra. Good. Okay. See the ratio of the volumes of the two spheres. That means V1 solution, V1 is to V2 equal to 8:27. Actually small r is the radius of the first sphere. Capital R is the radius of the second sphere. V1 we can write 4/3 pi r cube is to 4/3 pi capital R cube equal to 8:27. You can write this gets cancelled taking the cube root. So R is to capital R equals to, this is 2:3. So what we need to find out now here, this also we can write the capital R by small r equal to 3/2. We need this value. That means consider capital R minus small r by small r. This we can write capital R by small r minus small r by small r is 1. So that means 3/2 minus 1. Take LCM 2. You get 3 minus 2. 1/2. So required ratio is capital R minus small r is to small r is equal to 1:2. So A is the right option. Yes, you can check your options. So just give me 5 minutes time, then I will start once again the class. Till then you revise it, the 10 questions. Where are you from, Sulochana? Where are you from, Viresh? Introduce yourself, all of you. Till then introduce yourself. Where are you from? Just give your places, respective places. Sneha Misra, where are you from? Just till then introduce yourself. Oh, nice. Kolkata. Guntur, Viresh. Only two. Jaya, you are from Hyderabad. Good. Chittur. Okay, I know Pavitra. You are from Chittur. Others need to introduce. Okay, Riaz Basha. Vinjamuru. Kavali. Good. Chittur. Sulochana, you are also Chittur. All of you practice formulae from mensuration also. Go through it. Because everything is, mensuration is based on formulae. Just you need to recall the formulae. That's enough. And concepts. Enough. Simplification is very, very important. How many of you appearing for IIIT 2020 examination? Okay, okay, you must see. Oh, you are appearing Pavitra. Okay, good, good. Vandana. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. We shall continue the session. Okay. Eleventh question. 11th. The volume of the largest right circular cone, right circular cone that can be cut from a cut off from a cube of edge means side of edge 4.2 centimeters is that we need to find out in centimeter cube. Okay, options 9.7, B 72.6, C 58.2, D is 19.4. Okay, now this is very important problem. The volume of the largest right circular cone that has been cut off from a cube of edge 4.2 centimeters. So that means this is the cube. This is the cube from which a largest cone was taken out, cut out. So this edge is 4.2 centimeters. That means all the edges are equal itself only because it's a cube. Okay, now yes, sorry, yes, exactly, Bimara. Now from this one, a cone has been cut up. So now this value we need to find out. It's very simple. Here this radius will be half of this becomes D. This R height will be equal to the edge itself only. So that means actually here solution, the radius of the cone becomes edge by 2. That means 4.2 upon 2. That will be 2.1. So this will be 2.1. Height will be equal to this height. So that will be 4.2 centimeters. So h equals to 4.2 centimeters. Now we know the radius and height. So can you find out volume? Yes, why not volume we can find out. So that means volume is equal to V is equal to 1/3 of pi r square h. So 1/3 of pi means 22/7 r square. What is r square? R is equal to 2.1 square. 2.1 into 2.1 and height is 4.2. 7 1 ja 7 0.3 ja 3 0.1 ja. So now multiply all these things. So 42 into 21 you multiply, you get 42. This will be 4 and 8, 882. This product is 882. Okay, again into 22 multiply. So 4, 16, 17. This 4, 6, 7, 1. If you add, what do you get now here? 4, 10, okay, 14, 9, 1. How many points we need to write? Put actually 3 points. Point. So this will be equals to 19.404. This answer. So 19.404. Which is the right option? D will be the right option. So D will be the right option. Okay, 12th question. The radii I already told you radius stands for plural of radius. Pavitra, absolutely correct. The radii of two cylinders are in the ratio 2:3. Their heights are in the ratio 5:3. 5:3. The ratio of their values. Option A, 27:20. B, 20:27. C, 9:4. D, 4:9. 4:9. Okay, Raghav, no problem. You can watch offline also. Right. Here, see, the radii of two different cylinders, are in the ratio 2:3. Their heights are in the ratio 5:3. Ratio of their volumes we need to find out. So that means actually solution, you see, R1 is to R2 equal to 2:3. That implies R1 upon R2 equals to 2/3. This is given. Okay, next what is given now? Go to next page now. Next page. H1 by H2. Sorry, 1 minute. H1 is to H2. That is 5:3. That implies H1 upon H2 is 5/3. So what we need to find out? Ratio between their values. So consider V1 upon V2. V1 is the value of the first cylinder. That is pi R1 square H1 upon pi R2 square H2. Pi cancel. This we can write R1 by R2 whole square into H1 upon H2. So go back. Okay. What is R1 by R2? 2/3. 2/3. So 2/3. This is 2/3 whole square. H1 by H2 is 5 upon 3. That is 4. 2 square is 4 upon 9 into 5 upon 3. 5 4 ja 20, 9 3 ja 27. So therefore V1 is to V2 is equal to 20 is to 27. This is the answer. 20 is to 27. Oh, very good. 20 is to 27. Option B is the right option. Thirteenth question. The volumes of two spheres are in the ratio 27:8. 27:8. Thank you Sneha Misra. 27:8. The ratio of their curved surface is A 9:4, B 4:9, C 3:2, D 2:3. 2:3. Oh, good. First find the cube root of this one, 3:4, and square it. 3:2 and square it. 9:4. A will be the answer. Yes, absolutely correct. The volumes of the two spheres are in the ratio 27:8. So that means first what is given solution? V1 is to V2 equal to 27:8. V1 means 4/3 pi R1 cube. Volume of the first sphere. Volume of the second sphere is, if the radius is R2, 4/3 pi R2 cube is equal to 3 cube is to 2 cube right off. This gets cancelled. R1 cube is to R2 cube is equal, 3 cube is to 2 cube. Powers will be gets cancelled. So we get R1 is to R2 is equal to 3:2. Actually curved surface area ratio of duplicate ratio we need to find out. You see, S1 is to S2, that is 4 pi R1 square is to 4 pi R2 square. This cancel. R1 square is to R2 square. Just square this ratio. You get 3 square is 9 is to 2 square is 4. 9:4. So A is the right option. A is the right option. Okay, thank you. So we shall continue tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning 6:30. I shall meet you 6:30 for trigonometry classes. I hope you enjoyed this class. Have you enjoyed or not? Yes or no? You need to chat. So you need to chat. Oh, thank you.